So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong. Go put up a fight. The way I do will knock you down. You know there's emotion between us. Don't cry about it. Don't cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust.
Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel, Sunshine Kirsty. Today I'll take you with me through a typical workday. Hopefully this video will give you the motivation to clean your home, prepare healthy food, to move your body, and to give yourself some well-needed self-care.
Give it up. Give it up. Give it up. I'm wearing you out.
Every day, the first thing I do is tidy up the living room and the kitchen. After this, I like to make some fresh lemon water, and I go to my desk upstairs, do a few hours work, often before daylight. And then I know I've been really productive before the day even begins.
Cry about it, don't go cry about it. You want me to take you in my trust.
Every day before breakfast, on an empty stomach, I take one or two of my pups for a walk. The natural beauty of the flowers and the landscape, along with the sounds of the birds and the lizards, keeps me positive and uplifted throughout the day. Along with the boost of endorphins from a walk, I can take on anything my job or my life throws at me with confidence. It may be winter and too cold to use the pool. It must be about 15 degrees Celsius now, but the pool still needs cleaning. I love my morning workouts in the sun. There really is nothing better. This morning I wanted to focus on my core, abs, butt. Actually, these are my favourites. I began this workout with shoulder taps. While in a nice straight plank, balance and tap the opposite shoulder. Do as many as you feel comfortable with. Some mornings I do 20, some 40, 50. I love to build my booty. This first move is straight leg butt kicks. Make sure your glutes are engaged. On your hands and knees, keeping aligned, lift your straight leg up high and tap down, nice and controlled. Repeat this 20 times, then change legs. Time for donkey kicks. In the same position, keeping your tummy tightly tucked in, bend one leg and push your foot up to the sky. Repeat this 20 times and then repeat on the opposite leg. For this move, you need to lift your leg diagonally high out to the side. Do this 20 times and then repeat on the opposite leg. Plank rotation. Resting on your elbows and hands in a nice straight line, tummy tucked in. Slowly rotate your hips from side to side. Repeat this workout in full 2 more times. Then well done. Your workout is done for the day and you should feel positive and energized. Porridge, oatmeal, is our go-to breakfast nearly every morning. It's very quick to make, it's very filling and super nutritious. An excellent way to set ourselves up for the day. To our oats, I like to add several things for nutritional benefits, for taste, for texture. I like to add chia seeds, I like to add protein powder, I like to add coconut milk, and I like to add goji berries. Porridge only takes a few minutes to make. Make sure you stir continuously. I always start on high and then turn it down to medium heat. Stir continuously. Everyone likes their porridge differently. You may wish to add more liquid, whether it's a milk, a plant-based milk, or water. Make sure you get the consistency you like. We like it quite solid. Favourite topping. My favourite topping is banana and honey. Today I need to deep clean our bedroom. I like to do this every 2 weeks, but I do clean the bedroom every couple of days. Our 4 pups sleep in our bedroom and the fur needs to be removed thoroughly and regularly. We are very lucky to have a balcony off our bedroom. The first thing I do is shake all the sheets outside. All the dog beds get shaken outside, and then I can dust mop the floors. Dry mops are amazing for collecting dog fur. I use it every day upstairs and down because we have hard floors throughout, and it's just perfect to collect fur. When deep cleaning the bedroom, I vacuum all edges of the room, the gutter of the sliding doors, under the bed. Fur gets everywhere, so I lift the mattress, vacuum all the sides, and vacuum all the sides of the bed frame too. Time to mop the whole room. Make it smell lovely and cleanse. Today was an exciting bed making day. It's now winter here in Cyprus, nights are cool, and we can finally put on a fantastic snuggly winter duvet. There's nothing more cosy and de-stressing than a thick, full duvet. To me, cleaning my bedroom is like therapy. Knowing my bedroom is dust-free, fur-free, smells amazing, and is really clean, really does de-stress and free my mind.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song.
My shiny wardrobe's covered in fingerprints and smudges, so I used my window cleaner and a microfiber cloth, and I cleaned all the marks and made them beautiful again.
I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the words now, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Had no words now, we were so young. Now you're long gone, and I know time flies by so fast.
Today I had a photo shoot with my 4 rescue pups for a very special someone's birthday. All pups came dressed for the party, where they enjoyed lots of treats. One wasn't in such a good party mood, but he soon got into it. My models did fantastically.
It sure as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting deep like we're on our own ride. Got the words now.
Lunchtime today we're having my legendary avocado spinach Mediterranean salad. It's very tasty and super nutritious. We've eaten this salad for the last 5 years, since avocados are grown here naturally, locally, and a good value in winter. This salad is vegan and whole plant-based, but even meat eaters should enjoy this salad.
It lingers on. Yeah, it lingers on.
This salad is perfect for a lunchtime because it's really quick to make. All you need is 1 ripe avocado, approximately 10 small cherry or money plum tomatoes, 1 small cucumber, a handful of torn spinach leaves, brown pasta, an onion if you fancy. Then you need balsamic vinegar, pink Himalayan salt, and if you're adding it, olive oil.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many, when the old one's gone under the knife.
If you're whole plant-based, skip the olive oil. But since we live in the Mediterranean, olive oil is like a way of life here. So we personally add it.
Beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon.
After lunch, I worked on my laptop in my office all afternoon. Then it was me time.
But they've all gone out the window of this.
Hope you're taking time regularly to pamper yourself. This year especially, we need this time. I try to always have my nails painted. I personally do not like naked nails on myself.
All that ever was is
I like my nail varnish to last, be durable, withstand household and garden chores for at least 2 weeks. I discovered red carpet manicure over 6 years ago. It takes quite a few coats to build the colour, but I love the finished results, and it really does last weeks.
well, something's gotta give.
Today I'm using the colour Shake Your Beach Bum. This is a bright pink, popping colour. I cut my nails, file all the surfaces, remove the dust with a cotton pad and nail varnish remover. Then I add a layer of structure. Put my nails under the LED lamp to set it. Then a layer of white. This will make the pink pop. After every layer, I put my nails under the LED lamp to set it. I added about 5 layers of Shake Your Beach Bum. This made the colour perfect. The final layer is a layer of brilliance. Then under the LED lamp for the last time, get a cotton pad with nail varnish remover and remove the sticky residue. Then complete all nails. Before starting my nails, I preheated my oven to 150 and put in my defrosted, pre-homemade plant-based lasagna. I shared the lasagna with my husband and then snuggled up on the sofa with a scary movie before bed.
Something's gotta give. Today is a good day.
Thank you for watching my day in the life. If you liked any of my video, please subscribe and come back to my channel, Sunshine Kirsty, for cleaning motivation, workout ideas, healthy plant-based recipes, homemaking and seasonal decor. New videos will be uploaded every week. I look forward to seeing you here again. Hope you have a lovely day. Bye lovelies.